Today we're going to learn how to decap fuel injectors for 8th gen Honda Civic Si. Alright, these are my stock injectors from my old motor. What I am doing is I'm decapping these. They're 310s stock, and after you decap them, you have to remove this little boot. There it is, and this is the little filter. I already have that bent in, but what we're going to do is grind it down so you decap them, and it's just like that, and they should become 550s. So what we're simply going to do is remove this little top hat, use a grinder or a angle grinder, and we're just going to go ahead and just grind it down. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn it on, and we'll just go ahead and grind it down. It needs a lot more. And just move it angle side to side, flat, angle side to side, flat. Same process over and over. That way you get it nice and rounded and nice and smooth. Almost there. And we're pretty much there. I'm just going to grind it a little bit more just to clean it up. You can see it already decapped. That's nice and good. And there it is. Now we'll just put this top hat back on. There it is. And now it's ready to put inside back in the Civic. They are no longer 310s. They are now 550s. Sweet. Thank you for watching.